Okay, hi. In another video with Gracie and Haley. I'm going to show you guys the farm. And we're going to go feed the baby goats.
Guinness! Guinness! Oh, Jack. Jack.
Come here, Bobby. Come here.
Jack, come on. Good boy.
Come here, baby boy.
I like Guinness. He's so nice.
I know.
Hey, Jack.
This is Jack.
That's a good puppy.
He's a goody boy. Okay, and then over here
Oh my gosh, your sister's
is
climbing
Ren.
over the goats.
What are you doing? Somebody give you some eggs?
Why does the dog get to eat eggs?
I don't know, because he likes eggs. Ren likes eggs.
Oh, can we show him the chickies?
Yeah. Such a weird dog. Okay, now.
Sorry.
It's fine.
Oh, wait.
What?
What's this?
What's what?
I found a car!
Come on, okay.
Chickies.
See?
The chickens don't like me that.
Okay, Gracie's gonna take the camera. These are our baby chickies. And this big yellow one, where's my hand? The goose. Is a goose. Okay, now we're letting it, now we have to go. Take this. Okay, come on. Here's your little chicken. Little chicken. Little chicken. What? Oh. Little chicken.
No, right between my legs. You want to show him the video?
Okay.
Good little chicken.
Yeah. We have. Oh my gosh! Can you guys see? Show them the chicken. It's such a good chicken. Okay. Now we're heading to the goats. Wonder if we can find Gracie and Guinness.
Yeah, I was
Okay, let's go look in the. We're gonna go look for Gracie the cat and Guinness the cat.
Oh, yeah, anything?
Little chicken. Let's go look over here.
Okay, you just like walked with the chicken.
There's a nice saddle right there. Here's Gracie. Little kitty wee.
She's nice, but she's very, very mean. Be quiet, chicken.
Here's Gracie.
Hush.
Sweet little Gracie girl. I feel right here. It's really dry.
Okay. Well, we're just gonna carry the chicken with us.
We're heading to the goats and the pigs. Wait, do we need the bottle? I don't know where it is. Matt is feeding. No.
Did you feed the goats? Oh.
Okay.
Melvin, do you want me to go inside and feed Lana's bottle?
Okay. Gracie, Haley, she's going inside. Get the bottle. These are the little babies. Should we let them out? Nah. Open it for me though. I wanna go in there. I wanna go in there.
Yeah.
They can just see it. We'll go in there later. She got it?
Just climb over. Hello, chicky.
Climb over. Little chicky. Okay. So they're going in. I'm going to show you the babies. And this is Midas. That's this one right here. This is Midas. And this is Titan. Midas. I'll leave Midas alone. And little Titan. So we're gonna go out.
Hey!
So now you've seen Midas and Titan.
Do you miss your buddy? Yeah.
Okay, so they showed Midas and little guy, little chicky wicky.
Quit trying to escape, chicken.
Okay, and then over here is Lincoln. Say hi. Yeah, he wants to see you. And the one eating the food. And this is Will. I can't remember her name again. But Lincoln and something that starts with an A. So, okay, let's go show them the rest of the goats.
Do the rest of them have names? Oh yeah. Can we get in with the other little one?
Yeah, we'll go in here.
Wait, what should I do with the chickie?
Let her roam around. Okay. It's okay. We're climbing over. And okay.
Here, goaty.
Okay. So these are our new goats. The black one is Birdie and the white one is Taylor.
So they're afraid of us?
But if you sit down, then the black one, Birdie, she'll come up and pet you. Come on, Birdie, pretty boy.
Don't let her escape.
There. This is Sweetie Pie. Okay. This one right here is Sophie and Daisy and Elizabeth. This one. Okay, I can't see.
This is
Elizabeth and Maisie right there with the white one. So those are now the goats. 11. Yeah, they're really nice. Haley, that one's pregnant, so be careful. Okay. Okay, should that be the end of this video? Okay, so we showed everything that we have so far. So, have a good day and like this video, subscribe to my channel, subscribe for Maisie. Oh my gosh, you're gonna eat this camera. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.